A continuation, but probably not posted within weeks or months of when this was continued. It was Kenworth album. That is a short dump truck. And I don't mean height. Oh, I've seen that truck around back in the day. Where did I see that? It's one of those ones you can't really unsee once you've seen it. $980, $988. See, Backer Logging and Trucking. Oh, it reminds me, I should show you my new belt buckle. Where am I? Oh, there I am. Ranger, Clark Ranger skidder. I digress, doing selfies now. Triton with tri-axle. There's tri-dam, tri-drive, and there's the trailers can be tri-axles, or wagons. LW Kenworths. Coal hauler. Quad axle for short logs. And no Americans, that's not American truck, even though it would pass for one. Our stakes all fold down in the middle, so they're twice as high. Just gotta rub that in a little bit to you. Is that a 977 cat? Don't think it's a 983, those were a rare bird. That's vintage. Don't know, 1964 maybe? 3, 4, 5, 6. Stinger with a log picker trailer. So it's got plenty of crane capacity. That's a cool picture. Corvette, guys hanging around, so nobody doing social media then on a Friday night. It's real life, getting out, gathering. So that's a cool load. So, and that's legal, that wasn't for no parade. That looks like out of Squamish. Probably Malik and Mosley truck. They had a big division up there. we go, Malik and Mosley fleet. Definitely Squamish, because it's all rock. Bunch of rock against the water. Some neat times. Wasn't glorious then, but looking back on it now, it sure was. Simple life, bigger logs, smaller trucks, more challenge. Well, I usually do these videos 12 minutes, so let's just sit and look at this for another 6 or 7. You can tell what turns my crank. It's quite the load. Big ship engine or something, I don't know. What that is. It's not a hydro seeder. Oh, McDonald's. I have a 4-foot M in my house upstairs in one of our living rooms. A real one, the Canadian one that's got in the middle has the little Canadian flag. This paint scheme, our log truck had that. The paint scheme is called Somanos. Which is a native word, which I can't remember. I've looked it up once. It means something. I don't know what it was, like some place of peace, or it was something gentle. That's a one-off truck, railway rig. Part of a rock truck. Who knows what? Maybe a Cat 793 or something up there. Allied, they're still around. That's a local truck to this area. Very, very local to where I am. Haha, Tonka. It's either oil field or agriculture. Probably oil. That is so short. That's just so wrong. That box doesn't belong on that setup. So the Truck Loggers Convention of Vancouver, no doubt. So be the only day you'd drive around with a big mural on it. Ocean Cement. I believe they had some Pacifics back in the 1985 or 6, like P510s, the steel hoods. And at 10.5 minutes more. Okay, I'm going to go long on this. I'll speed it up a little. Except I promise to slow down if I like something extra specially. Okay, the old BJ and the Bear truck thing. Same there. That was a local truck here. Used to always see that thing at Just Hauling Pipe. I don't know if it's still around. Triton. Ranger Transport. Veralt low bed. They've hauled more than a few machines out of my place. Belly dump. It's funny the background becomes as interesting decades later. I don't know how old this is, but something Western Mechanical. If you're trying to capture an error and go back in time, the background is interesting as well. Davy Sand and Gravel. Nahani, they're the builder of flat decks and dump truck boxes. I've loaded that truck back in 2006. It had a driver on it then. And we made it. All right, I'll start again with these.